Alright, so here we have a Lennox and a Trane. Here are two of them. This one is the downstairs unit, that one is the upstairs unit. Here's the Lennox. I filmed this one numerous amounts of times. Well, 4 times. Well, actually no, it was 3 separate days I filmed these. One was on August 20th, the other one was on January 8th, and then June 10th. LG scroll. 2017 3.5 ton 14 ACX. That has not been running. I don't know if it ran at all this year yet. Here's this Trane XE1000 high efficiency Weatherton heat pump. There, high efficiency. Limit for reciprocating. B&B air conditioning and heating service. I think this is from 1999. Yep, it's from 1999 and it is a 2.5 ton. Let's see if this thing's a heat pump. Actually, you know what? Is that a reversing valve? I wish I had a flashlight with me right now, but it's daytime, so I don't need it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think that's a reversing valve. This thing's actually a heat pump. So it's an air conditioner and a heat pump. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Over now.